Okay, one cool thing here when it comes to content creation and marketing, I want to highlight, and this is a little video. Any of you heard of Notebook LM? Okay, so Notebook LM is one of the best tools out there, again, free. A lot of tools that I'm gonna highlight are free, where you can take any contract, any SOP, you can even create a podcast. And not only that you can create a podcast from a content and sources and different things, you can interject the conversation and you can have a conversation with the AI talking about, like for example, in this instance, the case for human AI. And I wanted to interject and say, hey, by the way, actually I had an idea. Can we include this in the summary?
Oh, wait, someone wants to join. Hey, go for it.
Hello there. We are so glad you joined in.
Absolutely. We love hearing what you're thinking, what's on your mind.
What are some of your thoughts on all this? We're really curious to hear your perspective.
We've been looking at how AI can help with tasks and maybe even spark some creative ideas.
So that's one way in which that can be done.